What's it worth to you?
I think this might be the one. I think this might be the one. I think this might be the one.
Easiest job on the Embark. Unlike piloting a ship where pressing even one wrong button can lead to everyone's fiery deaths.
And was sprayed by 1,000 skunks. I'm sorry! I'm sorry!
Wow.
Not the captain, bruh!
I'm not the captain! Fake captain! Behind you!
The council must discuss whether you're fit to be a captain. Until then, you must stay on the Embark.
But...
Stay. 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 Lie down.
I knew it!
Come on, home dogs. To the second part.
You don't need to wipe humans out. They're wiping themselves out all on their own.
As long as the Earth suffers from the problem known as humans, no seed.
Proximity sensors will alert those eels if we approach. That happens and zap, we're hot dogs.
The grenade! The grenade!
Just give me a chance to...
No, you're out of chances. After I straighten things out with the council, I want you off my ship, for good!
Ooh. Nice! I feel amazing! Guys, will help?
Hey, friends! It's clear that smashing and harvesting ships for parts is your whole thing, but I'm just wondering if you could just,
Don't you want to know what this doohickey does first, Jerry?
Let's see how well you cope with ghost pepper powder, loafy boy.
Body right?